now this kind of clam is coming back. It's in good quantities. They have found good quantities of them, but if you remember, I said 84, or maybe I didn't say 84, but from 84 till today, it's in quarantine, and nobody is able to harvest for commercial uses. I, member of the community, I can come and harvest some to eat, but not to commercialize. That's the way to prevent a disaster like this. Okay, so this clam is called Almeja Catarina clam, and it's also known as the flying
Duchess? No.
Almeja clam, flying clam, because when it swims, does this. And you look in the water like it's flying. It's amazingly impressive, beautiful. I had seen them when I was a diver. I had seen these clams flying, swimming in the ocean. It's very impressive. So when this lagoon was declared as a natural resource area, natural protected area, the fisheries, they took a very good care of the fisheries. So now the fisheries are selected in quarantines depending in the reproduction statement of these resources. So when they are in a reproductive statement, no possible to harvest them. And the people here is respecting that, so that's why this lagoon is so rich in all this delicious food. Okay? So this is more or less what I can say about that. Okay?
Thank you.
Got it?
Yes.
Now in the sand behind you, you can see some marks. Than abalone.
Really?
I like this guy. It's delicious. Very tender. Very delicious.
Caracol?
Yeah, caracol. Caracol de mar. Good one. What do you think, Glenn?
I don't know.
A bird? Wing?
Okay.
Seagull?
Turtle. Yeah. Okay? Like we do. So if we are like this, but we are a little separate, what happened? What do you feel? Wind.
Stand alone.
Yeah.
Not
And
going to stand very long.
And if the wind gets very, very strong,
Yeah.
it's
Hold on
going
to
to
each
start
other.
moving you.
Not go.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what they do, they live close. They touch each one. Touch. In that way, no, don't just touch. Don't,
Just touch.
don't embrace.
No, okay.
That part comes later.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Just touch here. Arm. Okay? If we have very strong wind, what happened
We're good.
with us?
We move.
We'll stay.
Are we gonna stay?
You're gonna move you.
We don't stay.
Okay.
But what about if we
Lock our-
tie it?
Ah, yeah. Yeah. anywhere.
What happened?
Nobody moved.
Move?
A little bit.
Move, but
Together.
you don't knock over.
But we move together. Together. We don't. We move together. Dancing with the wind, with the environment. That's how they survive. They move together. They stay together. They don't harm each other. They take care of each other. That's what we need to do in between us. Take care for us. Not be, well, I don't want to say bad words here, okay?
Okay. Yeah, no better.
But that's the way they survive. Because this environment is not easy to survive.
Right, with the
Okay.
wind. Yeah.
Wind, waves, sun, wind, waves, sun, wind, wind. Only they don't have enchiladas or anything to eat. Just
Sunscreen.
Hot water, sunscreen,
Fresh water.
screens or chairs to sit and relax. No, they have to fight at every moment in their lives. How they do it, I show you when we are there. When we are able to touch them, when we are able to sense them. Okay, so let's keep walking.
Are the roots seawater?
I show you. I show you. By little, we have a green heron here. It's a tricolor heron. See it? Tricolor heron in the middle, in the hole.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Tricolor heron. You see where she is standing? Because in that part there's no wind. This is a National Geographic picture. Really? It's not easy to catch them like this close. Very complicated. I am amazed that they didn't fly. They are very shy. I hear you, but I don't see you.
That was a thing my dad used to say.
I can hear, but I can't see it.
I hear you chirping, but I can't find your nest.
Okay, guys, we're gonna cross my garden here, so we need to be careful with the little plants. Okay? You see all these green little plants?
Oh yeah.
This is eatable. It's good.
Edible.
Edible.
It doesn't make any difference.
Sorry.
Eatable, edible.
Okay?
Salad.
What kind of plant?
You can make. No, it's not mango. It's a marsh plant. Name is California. You can make dressings or salads. You just be careful with them. Here, there. In the top. Here.
The very top, across the way.
Here.
Oh, right here. I'm looking.
There. Just flew out.
I missed
Here.
him. He's flying. Oh, you're right.
You don't see
Yes.
it?
Yes, I see it.
Clear shot, clear shot, clear shot. Here,
Where'd he go?
it's very quick.
Yeah, really. You got him.
You saw it?